Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If your sanctuary is constantly running out of medicine and your defenses are completely overrun by the Rat King, you're probably expanding way too fast. Last Asylum, Plague is not your typical casual builder. It is a hardcore mix of city management and tower defense, and just razzing your base is gonna run your account, okay? So I'm gonna give you some tricks and some tips to survive in the Plague. So let's get right into it. First of all, guys, the first tip that I want to give you is to stabilize your resource economy first. The absolute number one reason players fail in the early game is medicine or food shortage. Before you even think about building new wars or taking in more survivors, you must secure a steady production of food, herbs, and good. Always build your storage capacity slightly ahead of your production levels so that your resources never cap out and hold your progress. If your economy stops, your sanctuary is gonna fall apart. Okay, the second step is actually to expand only when you have a surplus. It is incredibly tempting to add more beds to increase your population right away because this is gonna give you like copper. However, every new survivor is going to put a permanent passive drain on your food and medicine. So only expand your housing and wars when your resource production consistently exceeds your consumption. This control growth is going to prevent sudden chain failures. And also, when the swarm faces heat, okay, which is going to be when the rats come, do not spread your defensive towers evenly across the map. You need to control the enemy's movement by creating narrow paths and choke points. Concentrate your fully upgraded towers into a few heavy kill zones rather than spreading level 1 towers everywhere. A focused overlapping damage zone is going to melt the rat swarms much faster. Also guys, remember that when you're dispatching heroes to reclaim abandoned ruins, do not stack 5 DPS units. By the third fight, your team is gonna get wiped out. You need a balanced composition. For example, a frontline tank to absorb damage. This can be like a knight, for example. A solid ranged attacker for steady output. This can be the girl from the beginning. And a support or healing unit to keep them alive, which you're gonna get much later into the game. So choose your heroes based entirely on the synergy of their active skills, not just the rarity color. And finally, guys, prepare before every major wave, okay? Do not wait until the Rat King is actively chewing on your gates. During the calm periods between storms, manually repair your structures, upgrade your core towers, and heavily restock your medicine reserves. Treating every wave as a test of preparation rather than reaction is the secret to clearing the late game content, okay? So that's pretty much it, guys. In short, I would recommend you to stop aggressively expanding and more like fortifying your economy, okay? This is going to be more important and critical. So treat your resources right and you will dominate the wasteland. Thank you so much.